The body of a man was discovered in a shallow grave at Content Road in Frazers Content, Spanish Town, St. Catherine on Wednesday morning. The body is believed to be that of 33-year-old Kevin Anderson, a security officer from Rosewood Drive in Frazers Content. Anderson reportedly went missing on Wednesday, May 1, 2024. Residents reportedly stumbled upon the body in a shallow grave at approximately 11:30 a.m. and notified the police. Following initial investigations, family members identified clothing seen in the grave as belonging to the missing man. Investigations continue. One man was shot dead while another injured during an attack at Bottom Bunbury in Linstead, St. Catherine on Wednesday night. The dead man has only been identified as Rikal Hunter, a resident of the said community. Reports reaching Observer Online indicate at about 7 p.m. both men were standing at Hunter's gate when several gunshots were fired from bushes nearby. Hunter, the police said, was hit in the right side of the neck, chest and legs, while the other man received gunshot injuries to both legs. A police patrol arrived on the scene and assisted the men to hospital where Hunter was pronounced dead on arrival. The injured man was admitted in stable condition. No motive has yet been established for the attack, the police said. The body of a 10-year-old boy was discovered in a pond on Holland Estate in Trelawney on Thursday. He has been identified as Arcade Palmer of Zion in Marterbury. He was a grade 5 student at Granville Primary School. An investigation officer attached to the Trelawney police told the Gleaner that Palmer was reported missing at 8 a.m. on Thursday. A search team was dispatched to the area and Palmer's body was discovered in the pond about 10 a.m.